Hello everyone, I'm Massimiliano Scarpellini, Managing Director of Ortea SpA. Our mission is to help companies in the challenges imposed by the energy transition underway. It is with great pleasure that we launch the first episode of Energy Talks for T column. All episodes will have as a common root the objective of promoting culture and sharing know-how related to the power quality market.
Welcome to the first episode of Energy Talks for T. Today I'm here with Massimiliano Scarpellini, CEO of Ortea Next, and I would like to kick it off by asking him, from your standing point, how do you see the power quality market changing today?
Okay, thank you, Paolo, first of all, for giving us the opportunity to talk about Ortea and to talk about our sector, and that has to do obviously with the power quality segment. And I would say that the worldwide economic trend, it's for sure one of the driver which oblige Ortea to, let's say, stay focused in our market because of, let's say, instability of the grid is absolutely caused by the economic growth of each country. The second driver has to do, no doubt, with the fact that the energy transition, it's another fantastic idea, but it's causing, let's say, instability in terms of, let's say, power, and this is obviously give us the opportunity to propose our technological solutions. We know that the renewable energies will give undoubted benefits in terms of energy savings to the various countries in the world. However, it will have also, at the same time, will cause issues in terms of instability of electricity network, both in terms of, I would say, voltage and harmonics. All this to the detriment of industrial users who could suffer from unstable production processes, both due to electrical protection intervention and breakdown in the most stressed electronics boards. Ultimately, with productivity issues and consequent economic damages. These issues certainly represent an opportunity to grow for Ortea, as well as a stimulus to further enrich our technological portfolio. A fundamental ingredient for winning the unstoppable, I would say, challenge of progress together with our customers and partners.
So you have just said that the market is rapidly changing. How this affects your value proposition?
Yes, it is. I confirm, and I would say that Ortea is in absolutely very good momentum, and we are. Just to give a couple of numbers, we doubled our revenue in the last 10 years, and we definitely increased our technological proposition going into the space of the energy saving solutions. In addition, we made significant investments in R&D, which allow us continuous improvement in performance of our technological solutions. Thanks to the progress of electronics and software firmware on board of our machines. So I'm extremely confident which the segment and the sector where we are will give us even much more opportunities in terms of revenue. Of course, the company is committed to invest in research and development of new products, following and sometime anticipating our market segment needs.
So, growth has been fueled by R&D. In the future, where are you going to invest? In which verticals, in which geographies?
First of all, one of our Ortea strengths is made, as we said, by a tailor-made approach, which allow us to respond to the specific customer needs. We have to keep in mind that Ortea differs from multinational competitors for the emphasized customization of our products to achieve obviously the best customer satisfaction. You know, Ortea also is strongly featured in having, let's say, markets differentiated in multiple countries. To be more precise about my statement, 80% of our sales are, let's say, export and 20% for domestic Italian market. And this allows us to differentiate our risk. Ortea is really focused in listening and monitoring all the trends coming from the market. The industrial sectors are truly manifold. In particular, where continuity of operations and production are fundamental. Together, I would say, with energy saving. To give some examples of process industries, we can mention food and beverage, we can mention pharmaceuticals and telecommunication data centers, airport broadcasting, metal and glass processing industry. So it's a really multifold, let's say, market, the one that we are facing on a yearly basis.
So it's really a technology market. But I was wondering, do people make the difference? Can they still make the difference in this market?
It's obvious that people are the pillars and the foundation for whatever company, for any business, as well as for Ortea, of course. That's the reason why I'm investing my energy, my commitment in hiring new engineers and young people. Because I believe new age and new people stand for innovation and new energy for our entire organization. So to summarize, I guess we have to find the right trade-off between our people's seniority and the new generation technical skills. Definitely Ortea is open to hire people with technical skills, marketing, as well as, let's say, in sales positions. I'd like to emphasize that only, and thanks to the great results we are achieving, this, let's say, changeover in terms of management is doable. And I'm 100% committed to succeed in this goal.
Thank you very much. Massimiliano, that's great news to hear. And thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.
So, see you at the next episode of Energy Talks for Team.